All you need to know about financial planning. Do I really need a financial plan? Many people will ask. To become wealthy or to accomplish all of your objectives, such as purchasing a home, a car, a dream holiday, or funding your child's education, you must make money work for you. Aside from that, a wage or business income may not be adequate. This is where good financial planning comes in handy. A financial plan allows you to create a path map for achieving all of your financial objectives. It also assists in the creation of a contingency fund for any unexpected expenses that might occur. Identifying financial objectives. The main aim of financial planning is to assist you in achieving your financial objectives. Begin by categorizing them into short-term, less than 2 years, medium-term, 2 to 5 years, and long-term, more than 5 years, above 5 years. Make sure your financial objectives are SMART, specific, measurable, adaptable, realistic, and time-bound. SMART. Begin with a financial plan. Budgeting is the method of formulating a balanced plan for making the best use of your hard-earned cash. Simply put, a budget is an itemized list of projected income and expenditures for a particular period of time, such as a month. It will assist you in keeping track of your spending and staying out of debt. While there's plenty of free budgeting tools and applications available online, you can get a feel for the process by using a pen and paper or an MS Excel board. Maintain a contingency fund. Having an emergency fund is an integral aspect of having a successful financial plan, also called a contingency fund. As you might be aware, life is unpredictable, and unexpected events such as work loss, family member hospitalization, asset loss, and so on may occur at any time. A contingency fund should preferably consist of nothing more than 6 months' worth of living expenses. This covers anything from household expenses to EMI payments, as well as any other monthly expenses you can incur. As a result, it would be prudent to set aside a portion of one's investments to address these issues if and when they occur. The main is asset allocation. The cornerstone of financial planning is asset allocation. A good balance of equity and debt will help you meet your financial objectives within the time frame you set. A standard rule of thumb used to determine the proportion of equity in an asset allocation is 100 minus your age, 100 minus X years, as you might have read in previous posts. The reasoning behind this rule is that when you get older, you have less time to recover if the stock market falls and your risk appetite decreases. Simultaneously, investing too little in equities could stifle your portfolio's development. As a result, it is unable to keep up with inflation. While this isn't the ideal way to plan one's asset allocation, it may be a good place to start for investors who are new to the game. Regularly review your financial plan. A daily analysis of your financial plan improves your chances of meeting your objectives. This allows you to incorporate any personal or economic adjustments that might have risen. It allows you to keep track of whether these investments can assist you in achieving your objectives. If you've invested in equities, for example, it's a good idea to keep track of your current position from time to time. It's likely that a stock or equity mutual fund isn't doing well. In the case of an equity mutual fund scheme, the investment objective or style could have changed, and it no longer suits your investment objectives. As a result, go over your strategy on a regular basis and weed out any assets that aren't adding value to your portfolio. Who wants a financial plan? If you want to start a company, you'll need a financial plan. If you don't know where and how your money goes each month, you need to strengthen your financial planning. Many people in today's consumerism age don't understand how their monthly incomes are depleted. They'll be left with very little to nothing to save. Impulsive purchases and a lack of budgeting for spending result in long-term issues with not having saved for the potential needs of one's children or even one's retirement. Thus, failing to keep track of your spending and becoming careless causes you to abandon your long-term financial goals while achieving all of life's luxuries in the short term. It's time to get your personal finances in order if you have a number of liabilities and don't know how to get out of debt. In today's world, we all want a better lifestyle than the one we have now, one that provides us with more luxury and benefits. And often, in order to fulfill these commitments, we have to borrow money or take out loans. However, bear in mind that these basic finance choices can end up harming your financial health. A A financial plan will not only assist you in getting out of this bind, but it will also allow you to better manage your cash flow, even to live as debt-free a life as possible. A financial plan can be your guide for fulfilling all your financial goals if you don't have a roadmap for achieving your dreams. Your priorities are given shape and form by a financial plan. It is for those who are unaware of how they can realize their life's goals and desires. If your assets are dispersed and you're uncertain where you've put your money, it's time to get your portfolio in order. Many people invest haphazardly without performing a thorough need-based study or conducting adequate research on financial products. Managing and tracking these dispersed investments becomes difficult. These investors' investment accounts are riddled with duplicating schemes. Additionally, there are certain investments that do not have the benefit of diversification. These investment portfolios must be consolidated and realigned to suit the financial requirements. You're not sure whether you've made the best decisions. Many people purchase shares or mutual funds to invest in the equity asset class. However, as previously mentioned, most of these investments are made on the advice of friends and family, rather than taking into account one's financial ambitions and risk appetite. Investors' money is often wasted as a result of these unplanned and unresearched investments. As a result, it is important that you invest only after performing thorough research on any investment opportunity. By creating a financial plan, you or your financial advisor would be able to evaluate your entire portfolio and, if necessary, restructure it to provide you with the best possible results. Prudent financial planning will help you prepare for financial goals such as buying your dream home, a car, a trip abroad, your children's education and marriage needs, and your retirement, among many others. Procrastination is the greatest enemy of many people. As a result, making a financial plan is important. And in order to make your aspirations a reality, you must adhere to the financial plan to the letter. If you don't spend systematically and on a regular basis, daily investment, as you can see, is the secret to long-term wealth growth. To achieve his goal of being a successful student, even a child requires supervision and constant monitoring. As a result, as an adult, you must invest on a regular basis in order to achieve your financial objectives. Investing small sums on a regular basis would also save you money. As a result, you'll be able to easily achieve all of your financial objectives. It could be difficult for you to calculate the amount you'll need to spend on a daily basis to achieve all of your objectives. A financial planner, on the other hand, will help you prepare your investments in the right investment instruments to fulfill your objectives. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.